Greetings, entrepreneurs and business enthusiasts. If you're eager to become a registered vendor supplier in the diverse and dynamic Miami-Dade County, Florida, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll guide you through the step-by-step process of becoming a vendor supplier in this thriving county. Let's get started. To begin, let's understand what vendor portal registration is. It's the process of officially signing up to provide your products or services to Miami-Dade County's various departments and agencies. Register through the vendor portal to receive alerts to procurement opportunities and submit bids proposals. Vendor registration is free. Now, let's begin. First, type vendor registration in the search Miami-Dade.gov search bar, click vendor registration and click vendor portal. In order to submit your application to the county, make sure you have all the required business documentation. You will be redirected to the Supplier portal after clicking the vendor portal button. Then, click on User Registration and Register Now button. In the Bidder Registration component section, select what type of entity you represent and your bidding activities. Click Next. Now, provide your unique ID, company profile information, and answer profile questions. Add your company address and add company contacts. Finally, clearly define the products or services you plan to offer as a vendor supplier. Specificity is key as this information will be used to match you with relevant opportunities. In the Search ID box, type the services you offer and add the service categories. You have successfully completed your registration. You will receive your registration ID number and an email regarding the status of your registration. Congratulations! You're now registered as a vendor supplier in Miami-Dade County using the Supplier portal. This process can open doors to valuable procurement opportunities in this diverse and dynamic county. Best of luck on your journey as a registered vendor supplier. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with other entrepreneurs. Subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Stay connected, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.